Good evening, everybody, here on this Thursday evening, January the 23rd, at about 9 p.m. here. This is your meteorologist in New Jersey weather, Joe Toth here, and we are now at day 2 now, and we will be talking about weather. So here are the current weather headlines here, and as you can see, the weather headlines today, cold weather will continue over the next several days. And yes, we are watching a area disturbance that's going to be coming down on Saturday that will provide some snow, with the possibility of some accumulations. And then after that system moves on out, we will be talking about a couple of snow threats next week, and we will get to those in just a couple of minutes. So here are today's high temperatures across the state. Generally, you can see here they're mainly in the upper teens to the lower 20s, so not as brutal as we suggest compared to the last 12-24 hours. But overall, we have to really bundle up out there since very cold weather is going to continue across this area. And here are the current conditions this evening. You can see temperatures have certainly dropped here. Somerville's down to 13. Both Newark and Trenton are down at 16 degrees. Sussex is now at 8 degrees, and Atlantic City is at 14 degrees. So here is the current surface map here, and we can show you that real quick here. And sorry if you can't see really clear here, but you have an area right here, this disturbance here that's weakened is moving on east. So you have an area of high pressure that you see over here across the Great Lakes here. That will be moving this way for our Friday, so this will be nice and clear skies across the region. And then if we look up to the north here, we see here is that we see an area of disturbance that's going to be dropping down to the south here, providing us some snow on Saturday. So certainly certainly something to keep an eye on as we head on. And if you look at the current radar here as of this evening, and as you can even see here, we have an area of some snow showers and flurries across eastern Pennsylvania. Very isolated, moving to the southeast. So really nothing to worry about. We did forecast a chance of flurries. So most areas will not see flurries. Most areas will remain dry. So here is our weather analysis and discussion. And we will show you the GFS here. That's coming up right about now. And as you can see, we will start from the beginning here. And you can see what we have here. Here are the current conditions. Sorry if it's a little blurry here. But as you can see here over the next, as we head into Friday, you can see across New Jersey, things remain clear. And that area, you see that area of disturbance right up all the way up in north, all the way up here in Canada. This is the player for Saturday, and you will see why in just a few moments. And you can see, look how it decides to bring a piece of energy down south and provide us a chance of snow on Saturday. And you can see that moves on out, and here comes the Monday system, and you can see that right across Illinois here. This will be the next Baker for Monday, the next snow threat, but right now it does not look too significant, as right now it continues to stay more towards the north and west. But we still can't rule out a chance of flurries or snow showers for Monday. And as that system moves on out, we will be paying attention to another one by midweek coming down from the south that will appear. Keep rolling along. This will be Tuesday into Wednesday. You can see, look at the moisture coming off the east coast right there. That goes out to sea. However, not much of a shift to the west can really change the forecast here, so we have to worry about another threat around that time frame. And then as we head on towards Super Bowl Sunday, now everyone's wondering what's going to happen on Super Bowl Sunday. Well, based on this current computer model right now, Super Bowl Sunday looks A-OK. Just cold with a chance of flurries. That's about it at this time, but please stay tuned to us as this forecast is bound to change. I also wanted to show you also another model that's really useful, and this is for the Saturday event. This is the NAM High Res, and it's pretty good to use when it comes to timing of events. So I like to use this one. And if we look right over here, as you can see, New Jersey looks good. Looks like a couple of flurries, maybe even a snow shower, but like I said, nothing, no big deal. And here comes that area right up here. This is what I was talking about, up from Canada. Look what happens here as we head on into Friday evening. It's dropping on south, and as we head on into your Saturday, and you can see, look at that snow. There's actually a nice band of snow here. Look at that. Goes right into New Jersey during the day on Saturday. Moves on out, and then here comes this next disturbance down here for Monday. So in general, if this is right here, this would be, if you want to check with us again tomorrow, the timing for the snow, this burst of snow on Saturday, would be any time around mid-morning into the afternoon hours is the time to watch for a potential burst of snowfall. So certainly we have to keep a close eye on that. We'll have more updates on that tomorrow. So here is your 3-day weather forecast, and this is for tonight. We will have partly cloudy skies with a chance of flurries early. I mean, very isolated. Otherwise, it will be clearing late. Lows in the single digits, except teens along the southern coastal areas of New Jersey. And for your Friday, we will have sunny skies, brisk and breezy conditions. At highs across most of the state in the teens, except there could be low 20s across the extreme southern coastal areas like around Atlantic City or Cape May. Otherwise, it will be mostly in the teens. And for your Friday night, it will be partly cloudy and very cold. Lows in the single digits across the extreme north. And then there'll be teens elsewhere across the state. And for your Saturday, we will have cloudy skies with a chance of snow. Light snow accumulations are possible here. Now, looking at the guidance today, if any snowfall occurs, it'd be anywhere from a coating to as much as 2 inches of snow. The most amounts will likely be confined to northern parts of New Jersey, but please stay tuned with us tomorrow. We will have a better idea of how much snow will be falling across the state. Otherwise, you're looking at highs in the 20s across the north and 30s across central and southern portions of New Jersey. And for your Sunday, we will have sunny skies and continued cold temperatures, upper teens across the north and 20s elsewhere. This is your meteorologist, Joe Toth. I'll talk to you soon.